How to delete your Quillbot account. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with the video. For this, launch your preferred browser and in the search icon search for your Quillbot. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of your Quillbot. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in into your Quillbot account. Now before the deletion, make sure that if you are subscribed to any, make sure to cancel it. For that, tap on your user icon and head to account details. Under subscription, if there is any subscription, hit the cancellation icon and cancel it. Then again, tap on the user icon and head to contact us. In here, you need to write your name and your email address, and along in the message box, type in, "I would like to delete my Quillbot account." This is because currently Quillbot does not have a deletion option built in its online platform. Now you have to wait for the response by the Quillbot team, and you have to follow the instruction given by them. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.